Howdy there, folks. The Collector 6819 coming at you with a retail box break of Elite 2013 baseball. 6 packs. On the front it says that you get 2 autographs per little box here. So we'll dive in and see what we get. I will let you know now. I apologize if I mispronounce any of these guys' names. I will try my best, but okay, we've got Brad Goldberg, Devon Travis, an Elite Series J.P. Crawford, Ron Aper, and Ryan Garvey. We have a Mason Smith, Rock Shoulders, Aspirations die cut out of 200, since number 8. Looks like a Logan Paulson, the National Team 15U, National Team jersey. A Bruce Kern, and a Cody Reed. In each of the boxes, this is the second box I've gotten of this, and in each one I've gotten a USA jersey. I've got this Scott Bartvett, a Marco Gonzalez, Joel Pams, Franchise Features, numbered to the 749, so I'm guessing this is just a regular auto. Chad Rogers and Barrett Aston. We have a Chris Taylor, a Connor Wade, a Austin Meadows Scouting 101 insert, not really numbered. Rainey Lara, and a Brian Novato. We got 2 more packs left. We have a Martin Gasparni, a Ronnie Carvajal, this is a out of 100, Corey Vaughn, Trey Ball, a Trey Ball, and Andy Burns. Last pack. We've got an KG Woods, a Jose Abreu, a DJ Dixondale, Orlando Castro, Corey Thompson. So let's review the USA jersey, Logan Nelson, a feature, franchise feature, DJ $275. The 16 we have a Connor Wade, and out of 749, a Joel Pan. There you have it, folks. That was one retail box of the 2013, the 2005 Elite. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll catch you next time.